of joy we all can hear. Tweet, tweet, they're saying hello. Chirp, chirp, a secret they know. Listen close, their voices so pure. What are they talking about? We're not quite sure. A little girl sits beneath the tree, imagining what those birds might be. Are they talking of the sunny skies, or maybe sharing secrets in disguise? On a branch high up in a tree, two little birds singing happily, chirping their melodies so sweet and clear. The songs of joy we all can hear. Tweet, tweet, they're saying hello. Chirp, chirp, a secret they know. Listen close, their voices so pure. What are they talking about? We're not quite sure. Sits beneath the tree, imagining what those birds might